Hey everybody, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Jillian. I make videos here on YouTube about lifestyle content. So we do cooking videos on this channel, we do cleaning videos, what I eat in a day, anything homemaking, that's what you're gonna find here. So if you like that kind of content, please feel free to subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for more videos. I make new videos on Thursdays and on Sundays. So today in this video, we're going to be cleaning out my pantry and my fridge. So if you're like me in this new year and you really just need to get that done, follow along with me and we can do it together.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know, if I'll ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high, even if the sky is falling down. Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. And I really wanna know, if I'll ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can sail.
Okay, so I took everything in my fridge, honestly, mostly for dramatic effect, but also so that I can clean it out really well. So this is everything that was in my fridge. I obviously did not pre-clean this fridge at all. This is, honest to God, exactly what was in my refrigerator. So now I'm gonna go through all of this and throw out everything that's expired, and then we can actually clean out the fridge.
Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down. Oh, here you are, face to face in this trashy bar. Another glass and I am going places, makes me laugh. like a flash in the universe. You are illuminating. I don't really care about the people in the bar line. I don't really mind all the woo girls doing stage dives. I don't care at all, baby. You got my attention. So you were saying, I don't see the logic of things. It's quite a lonely world that we're living in. Oh, baby, you are something special, I'm sure. Everything makes total sense when you're next to me. Even if I told you I could never let you go, I am not so sure you believe me. But if I mean to show you, I will never let you go. No, I don't see the logic of things. It's quite a lonely world that we're living in. Oh, baby, you are something special, I'm sure. Everything makes total sense when you're
Okay, so I'm gonna show you the finished product now. So I didn't go through the door. I know we have a lot of condiments, but I have went through them recently and none of them are expired, so they're all just gonna stay there, all those condiments. Okay, so starting on the top shelf, I've got my eggs to the left. I've got some cheeses there, sandwich spreads. This is kind of like ready to eat foods, and some extra salad dressings, cookie dough. And then I have my drinks over here. So I currently just have oat milk that I'm using, and then I have like dressings and dips, fruit in this, and then just random like taller things over here, my cat's food. And then down on the bottom I have raw meat on this tray. So this is the only place that raw meat goes, at my fridge, and then I can wash that tray fairly regularly. And then over here I always keep my leftovers. In the two drawers I just have vegetables, so I kind of have like salad stuff over here and then random vegetables over here. And yeah, that is my finished fridge. Okay, so we don't have an actual pantry in our house, so we just use 2 cupboards and we're going to clean out both of them. So here's an overview of the first cupboard. Again, same method as last time. We're just going to take everything out, clean out the shelves, and then put everything back, hopefully looking a little nicer than this does.
You drive, do you know I'm looking, and I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on, I put my feet up, and we just sing along. And I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I watch you as you sleep. You don't know I'm looking. With you everything's complete. Do you know how much I love you? I put your favorite song on just to wake you up. When I dance around, I can't help but feeling, I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking?
Did you ever stop and think, why spend too much time just getting ready? Let me be honest, I don't know a single thing that I haven't done to make you notice me? Let me be real here. When I see you, my heart starts racing, but I don't know if I like this chasing and playing and waiting around. It's a shame that my hands start shaking all of the time when you're around me. But this time, girl, I know what's bothering me. I need somebody to love. Oh, nah, 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 nah. Don't you see what's wrong with me? I need somebody to love. Oh, oh, nah, nah. I don't know what I could say to convince you to hang around when you don't have to. There's so much that I'm still keeping to myself, 'cause you don't listen, babe. But still you got me missing you. When I see you, my heart starts racing, but I don't know if I like this chasing and playing and waiting around. It's a shame that my hands start shaking all of the time when you're around me. But this time, girl, I know what's bothering me. I need somebody to love. Oh, nah, 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 nah. Don't you see what's wrong with me? I need somebody to love. Oh, oh, nah, nah. God, I'm sick of this waiting. You got me going crazy tonight. So why? Why don't you come on over and be my somebody to love? Somebody to love, somebody to love, somebody. I need somebody, I need somebody to love. I need somebody, I need somebody. I need somebody, I need somebody to love. Give me somebody, somebody to love.
Okay, so I freed up a lot of space in this cupboard by throwing out just like old pantry items that I haven't touched in a long time. So now that we have some more space up here, let's go to the other pantry, see what's in there, and then we can kind of just like reorganize a little bit better.
I can take a beat from my better self. It's like no one else even really scratches the surface. 'Cause nobody gets me. I'm looking for faith, looking for love in every direction. I'm looking for someone to show me the way when my map is torn up. Give me a light when my torch is blown out. Let me escape from my hideaway. I give up all of my little addictions, but I'm still stuck with some tough decisions, yeah. Now I'm up against the wall, and I'm looking for your attention. Wide awake and I'm too scared away for a better chance at a great romance, and I'm just not getting any braver. 'Cause nobody gets me. I'm looking for faith, looking for love in every direction. I'm looking for someone to show me the way when my map is torn up. Give me a light when my torch is blown out. Let me escape from my hideaway. I give up all of my little addictions, but I'm still stuck with some tough decisions, yeah. Now I'm up against the
Whoa.
decisions yet. Now I'm up against the wall, and I'm looking for your attention.
To be daring, baby, dance the night away. I let my head down if I won. Don't you just get tired chasing fame and being pretty all the time? Doesn't sound like fun. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I want to be silly, baby, dance the night away. I'll kick my shoes off if I want. Let yourself be free and maybe you will find that there is more to life than being pretty. Honey, let's just face it. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. You can. Baby, let your head down, be a little wilder. Baby, kick your shoes off, you don't have to hide it. Baby, let your head down, be a little wilder. Baby, kick your shoes off, don't hide it. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder.
Okay, so this is everything that was on that top shelf. This box, my parents had like 2 homes and they sold one of their homes, and these are all of their spices from the second house. They gave them all to me, so I have a million spices now. So yeah, this is everything that was on that top shelf. So I'm thinking that I'm gonna put the pasta up here, right here, and like the rest of the rices and stuff. And then that'll free up a lot of space down here for like extra cans, extra coffee, just kind of like backup food items. So let's see how that goes.
To keep your image intact, if you think that strategy's smart, I'm not gonna defend my beating heart. Defend my beating heart. You knocked on my window and slept on my pillow, then said you had found that I don't know who you are every time I see you. Tell me, is this part of an act just to keep your image intact? If you think that strategy's smart, I'm not gonna defend my beating heart. Defend my beating heart. Defend my beating heart. Talk to me, just talk to me. Talk to me, 'cause I'm not gonna defend my beating heart. Defend my beating heart. I'm not gonna defend my beating heart. Defend my beating heart.
Okay, you guys, we have a finished product. So, top shelf, we have baking stuff. Hopefully one day I can get like cute jars and stuff to go up there, but today is not that day, so it's just kind of all thrown up there. So baking stuff on the top shelf. This has snacks in it, so like chocolates, chips, nuts, any snacks. Over here we have like canned goods. Yeah, canned goods for the most part. Down here, okay, so I had the pasta here and then I moved the pasta because I kind of wanted to keep this for like ready-made side dishes, so like sidekicks or like rices or scalloped potatoes, stuff like that. So just easy side dishes can live here. And then, so that's why I put the rice there too. Over here we have just 2 backups for condiments. I have salad stuff, so craisins, walnuts, almonds, croutons, salad stuff. Granola bars in here, crackers. And then down in here, so yeah, I put the pasta back down here because I just had a lot of it, so it fit better in this cupboard. So we have broths, extra cans, pasta, extra stuff back there, like an extra shake and bake. Rices that I don't use as often, those extra spices. And then bottom shelf, flowers. I had like a bunch of random bar items. I used to have a bar cart, so I just tucked those in the back there. I don't really want to get rid of them, but I don't need them all the time either, so those are in the back. And then I just have my potatoes, onions, garlic stored in a cool, dry place. And then plastic bags will go here. And that is the finished look at my pantry.
Sometimes I'm delighted, don't wanna pick a fight with everything seems so good. I guess I can't